Okay, go put it in the water, Isaiah. Ready? Drop it. Drop it. What happened? Float. Okay, Lyric. Go put it in the water. Did it float, guys? Huh? Sink or float? Float. Alex said it will float. Go ahead, Alex. Ooh. Did it float, guys? Don't put it yet. What? It will float? Okay, go put it in the water. Gently. Go. What do you think? Did it sink or float, guys?
Sink.
It?
Sink.
Then it will sink or float? Float. Okay, go ahead. Try it. Is this about right? Yes. What happened to our stump, guys? It float or float? Float. Go try it, Mia. Woo! That's a splash. What happened to the seesaw, guys? What happened to the seesaw? Avocado will sink or float? Do you think it will sink or float, guys? Sink. Ariel said it will float. Let's see, Ariel. Go. Ooh. Let's see. What's happening? Wow. Do you think it sink, guys?
Yes.
Or float, honey?
Sink.
You think it will sink? Do you think it will sink or float, guys? All right, Jasmine, do it gently, honey. It will be a big splash, maybe. Put it down. All the way down. What happened, guys? It will float. Let's see, Layton. I'm ready to watch. What happened? It float. Say float. Do you think it will float? Okay, go put it in the water. What do you think happened? Now, let's see.